In today's video, we will talk about how to create and automated systems that will get you 4 and 5 star reviews without doing any manual work. This system will be pretty easy and simple. What we will do is, we will take our customers list, past customers, present customers and future customers. So we will take our customer list to whom we have already delivered. We will take that list and then we will create an initial message that we will send to those on that list. The message will look like this, or you can create something that you want to send. So message will look like this. Hey John, hope your week is going well. This is Yash from Go for the Marketing. I wanted to ask if you would be open to giving us a quick rating of our service so far on a scale of 1 to 5. Any feedback would be appreciated to help us keep improving for everyone. What rating would you give us? Kind regards, Yash. Right, this will be initial message that you will send them. Then there will be a condition based response. So let's say you send this message and response came from John that your service was between 1 to 3. If that's a response, our automation will send them this message directly. Hey, thanks for the feedback. We'll pass this message to our team. Speak soon, Yash. And this will be the end of our conversation. If they say 4 to 5, then we will send them a Google or Yelp review link where they will fill out their review. And then automation will end. Now let's say they didn't reply, right? So they didn't give us reply within 2 days, 3 days or 4 days. Then we will send them a follow-up message. Hey, contact name, you are doing well. I wanted to check back to see if you did have a chance to give us a quick rating of our service so far. Your feedback really help us keep improving and I really love to hear your thought. And after that, again the loop will start. 1 to 3 stars, we will send them this message. 4 to 5 star, they will get a review link. If there is no reply, they will get this message again. And then this will be just an infinite loop that will keep going and going and going till you want. So what I do is, like, we send an initial message, we wait for 3 days for a response. If we do not get a response within 3 days, we send them a follow message. Then we wait for 3 days again. If we don't get a reply back within 3 days, we send them a follow-up message. We do this for at least 4 to 7 times, and after that we just stop messaging them. So this is our full automation, and this will be automated, right? As soon as we update that list, this automation will start on its own. So you don't have to do any manual work, you don't have to ask them for the review, and you don't need to do anything else. Plus, if you have an old data of your old customers who haven't given you a review till now, you can include those customers into this list and increase your Google review. So if you are a business owner who have a less review on your Google Maps or Google page, this is the best automation system that you can use to increase those reviews without doing any manual work.